Hello friends, I am Professor Vidyadhar Sagar. Today we are going to see practical number 2, study on metallurgical microscope. So let's start this practical. So first of all we need to know what is the metallurgical microscope. Metallurgical microscope is a device which is used to magnify the specimen which is used to observe under a magnification equipment. So basically the metallurgical microscope is a magnification equipment used to magnify the microscopic substance or element of the specimen that we have kept under it, right? So the metallurgical microscope is different as compared to the biological microscope. In metallurgical microscope there is a reflecting light which is mounted at the top of it in such a way that the light get reflected down from the object and get reflected towards the eyepiece, and we can see the specimen's details accurately. So this is the specifically typical microscope diagram is given over here. The microscope consists of a reflecting light shine down towards the objective that have been shown over there in form of a black box. Then the bright light dark field objective lenses are given over there for adjusting a different focal lengths, different magnification of the microscope. Then the polarization glasses adjustment can be given over there. Then after the transmitting light glass is placed below the objectives. Then DIC slides, that slides is given to adjust the specimens under the different objective lenses. So this is the typical diagram and typical construction of a metallurgical microscope. Now the optical system of a metallurgical microscope, in which the eyepiece which is situated at the top of it, and the specimen when we keep under the objective, that specimen's light get reflected towards the eyepiece. That light source get emitted from the light source which is mounted at the top of the microscope. That light source focuses at the plane glass reflector. The plane glass get reflect the light towards the specimen. This light get reflected or get moved through the objectives toward the specimen, and specimen get again reflect these lights toward the eyepiece, and we will finally get the view of a specimen in a magnification image. So the metallurgical microscope is basically used for the metallography, is the study of the physical structure and components of metal by using microscopic ceramic and polymer materials. May also be prepared using a metallographic techniques, hence the term ceramography, plastography and collectively metallography. The surface of metallographic specimen is prepared by the various methods using grinding, polishing and etching. After preparation, it is often analyzed using optical or electron microscopy. Using only one metallographic technique, a skilled technician can identify, alloy and predict material properties. Mechanical preparation is the most common preparation method. Successively finer abrasive particles are used to remove the material from the sample surface until the desired surface quality is achieved. Many different machines are available for doing this grinding and polishing, which are available to meet the different demand of the quality, capacity and reproducibility. A systematic preparation method is the easier way to achieve the true structure. Sample preparation must therefore pursue the rules which are suitable for the most material. Different material with different properties will respond alike, required the same consumable during the preparation. So the metallurgical microscope having a wide and important role in a metallurgical quality control department, where we use to identify the different defects and the structure of plain carbon steel as well as the different type of metals under microscope. That's all about the today's practical. Thank you very much.